All right, welcome to another video from the Outdoor Analyst. I'm just going to be doing some trail maintenance here as far as getting up some shooting path distance here. So I'm going to take this tree down with my lovely Wasatch custom build. Oh yeah, had a lot of fun making this holiday season. Time to kind of put it to some use and get some trees out of the way that need to get out of the way. We have way too many that are growing here. This is definitely in the way of one of our essentially shooting paths. So I'm gonna go to town on this thing and just make sure that it is not gonna pester anybody anymore for shooting stuff. And I also have this sticker bush right here. I'm gonna pop out of the way real quick. You gotta make sure your surroundings are safe, that you're not having to have any issues whatsoever. I think this will do pretty well right here. Oh man, look at that cut. That is just beautiful. This thing just chips right in. And you know what? Maybe I should get a little better view on this thing. I think it'll be safe right there. Oh, yeah. We'll just kind of show the work going on there. All right. Thing just cuts in deep. This thing has been fantastic. Oops. All right. I think that's enough holding wood. One more in there. That should be just about right. Now, I'll swap this over. Move to the back. This baby should fall perfectly forward. All right, where are we looking at here? About right there. Yep. Get some bark off. Granted, probably done just fine with a saw, but totally fine. Yep, a little high there. Just about over. Oh, so close. Probably could push it over, but put a few out more in there. There we go. Come on, baby. All right. Not too shabby. She'll come down just a little bit. How does this puppy do? This is a beautiful axe. Hoffman Blacksmithing. Really fantastic job on there. I enjoy the Boyce axes. Perfect for taking down just small trees like this. This is what, like a 6-inch tree. It's a 4.5 blade, so yeah, maybe 6-7-inch tree. That's perfect. That's the vast majority of stuff that's in the way out here, so this is a perfect axe for clearing the big stuff. Thanks, Liam Hoffman. This thing's been a pleasure to use and a super fun thing to build. So yeah, I highly suggest, if you have the time, you don't need a lot of tools to make your own axe. Just find a really good axe head, get a good handle. I carved almost this entire thing with a carving axe. Don't need a lot of special tools whatsoever to do any of it. So don't be afraid about that. You can use a hatchet and a little pocket knife and get one of these hung without a problem. So right on. Well, I hope this was fun for you. I had a blast doing it. I've got some bucking up to do on this sucker now. And yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.